Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix PS remote play lag, PS5, PS4, NAT Wi-Fi interface and bitrate. So fix 1 is, fix your network hardware. Unplug the Ethernet cable from the router and connect the Ethernet cable directly to the back of your PS4 and PS5. Then move your phone, PC or tablet into the same room as the router. Open the device Wi-Fi setting, then connect to the 5 GHz version of your home Wi-Fi network. Avoid the 2.4 GHz network. Second fix is lower the app resolution. Open the PS remote play button on your device, then click the gear icon before starting a streaming session and select video quality for remote play. Change the resolution to 720p or 540p. Change the frame rate from high to standard. Third fix is change console video setting. Turn on your PlayStation and open setting, then navigate to screen and video, then video output. Select HDR and turn it off. Return to the main setting menu, then go to setting, system, then HDMI. Turn off the enable HDMI device link setting. Fourth fix is fix controller latency. Avoid using Bluetooth for controller connectivity. Use a USB data cable for a direct connection, then plug the controller into your phone, PC or tablet while playing. Thanks for watching.